If you drink lemon water for 7 days, this will happen to your body. On day 1, your metabolism will get a boost, which will increase calorie burning and help with weight management. On day 2, the detoxification function of lemon water begins to take effect, helping to remove harmful toxins and promoting clearer and healthier skin. On day 3, the vitamin C in lemon starts to boost your energy levels while boosting the function of your immune system. On day 4, your digestive system will improve, and lemon water will help reduce bloating, promote smoother digestion, and improve nutrient absorption. On day 5, the protective effects of vitamin C further boost your immune system while you begin to experience clearer focus and attention. On day 7, the hydration and essential nutrients from lemon water leave you feeling many benefits, including increased energy levels, brighter skin, and rejuvenated eyes. Follow me for more health information. If you drink cranberry juice every day, what happens to your body? First, your skin will be better. The antioxidants and nutrients in cranberry juice help keep skin healthy and reduce the occurrence of skin problems such as breakouts and inflammation. Second, the polyphenols in cranberry juice have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects that help prevent oral problems such as gingivitis and mouth ulcers. In addition, it keeps your mouth healthy by reducing the growth of harmful bacteria in your mouth. In addition, the fiber in cranberry juice helps promote the proper function of the digestive system and prevent constipation and other digestive problems. Cranberry juice is widely used to prevent urinary tract infections, especially bladder infections. An ingredient in cranberries called prostaglandin A prevents bacteria from attaching to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. Finally, the polyphenols in cranberry juice are thought to help lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. They reduce the amount of oxide in the blood, which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Subscribe and like for more health tips.